How to set two-factor authentication on Binance. I will show you this tutorial on PC, but it's similar on any other device. You can follow up even with your phone without delaying. Let us start. So how you can do this? First, we will have to go on security window. To go here, click on user center and click on security. That's the first in a row. Now new tab will load. You will see here on the first two-factor authentication. Now you'll have a lot of options here. I suggest you to enable just email on phone. Don't touch Authenticator. Why? Because you can lose Authenticator app and you can stay without your account. So you'll just have to add email and phone. To do that, go click on manage, click on add phone. You'll have to send a verification code and copy and paste to enable it. As you can see here, I will already have enabled my phone. For email method is also similar. You will have to click on this icon and verify your email, and you will also get passkeys automatically after you do that, and you're finished. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.